In this video, I'll explain why Binance blocked my account for like 24 hours. So if you're someone who is watching this video and you are new on Binance, or you have been trading on Binance for a long time, but you've never encountered what I encountered today, I believe this video is going to help you so that at least you prevent yourself from being blocked or your account being freezed. So that being said, let's dive right into the video. Now, this is nothing new, but if you are someone who have been trading on Binance, you know it's about two people, the seller and the buyer. So maybe someone is selling his cryptocurrency and you, the buyer, will go there to buy. So today I decided to buy some USDT. I did the transactions over and over again, and the purpose of doing that transaction is to do a video to show you how you can take advantage of some risk-free investment that you can do on Binance using Binance P2P. So that is, you buy USDT at a lower price and sell it at a higher price within some short period and make some profit. So I tried it today and I made like 40 Ghana cedis, and I was repeating the same process, and unfortunately my account got freezed. Anytime you want to buy cryptocurrency, the one you are buying it from is supposed to be online, and you, the buyer, must also be online at the same time, so that if you place a trade within some short period, you get your money and the person also gets his or her asset. So today I placed a trade of 800 Ghana cedis. I was just trying to buy USDT and the person was online, all right. But after me releasing the money, the person went offline. Meanwhile, the money got into his account and my account, like he didn't release the asset. So I waited for some time and still the asset wasn't coming. So what I did was to report the issue to Binance because the asset wasn't coming. So me too, I have to report it. If not, I will lose my money. And of course, guys, if you place a report, anytime you place a report on Binance, Binance also don't want to, spoil their reputation. So they'll freeze your account, and at the same time, they'll freeze your partner's account, your business partner's account. They'll freeze the seller's account and freeze the buyer's account as well. So they freezed our accounts and we can't do transactions again. So what happened actually was the guy is supposed to release the asset at the time at which I did the payment, but his phone went off. So that very moment that is supposed to, release the asset to me, his phone went off. So where he is to, he don't have charger to charge his phone and all that. So since morning, I wasn't able to get asset. I was worried because they've never freezed my account before. I was so worried. But finally this evening, the guy was able to release the asset to me. And from his explanation, it's like when his phone went off, he's not having charger and all that. So he apologized to me and he said he's not going to do that again. So guys, one thing I want you to get from this video is that anytime you are doing transactions on Binance, especially as beginners, if you place an order or you make payment to someone and the person did not release the asset, first of all, check the number of trades the person made. If you see that, oh, this person there, he has some good reputation on the platform and the feedbacks are good. If you check his positives, they are all okay, then I think you should go ahead and do the trade with the person. Don't be in haste to report because the two of you, your account will be freezed. So the best thing to do is to contact the person directly in case you have the person's number. You contact the person and then he or she will explain whatever it is to you. So in my case, I was contacting the person, he wasn't going through, and not knowing his phone went off. So that's why, the two of us, our accounts are freezed. So the point is, don't be in haste to report people because the two of you will waste each other's time. Also, I can't end this video without saying, if you are the one buying it from someone to the same time, don't wait for a very long time before you release the asset to the person. Or if you know that your phone is getting low and all that, you can get to a place and charge it very fast. If not, the person will be thinking you are trying to scam him or her. Okay, so guys, that's it. Also, if you want to, sometimes if you want to cash out, or you want to allow cash out for a merchant to take out money from your account, first of all, be aware of the name of the merchant, so that do not use any fake accounts to withdraw money from your account. Okay, so for instance, if someone's name is Samuel Boadi, okay, If someone's name is Samobadi and you know that this is his name and you are supposed to approve and you see the name there, that's okay. But if the name is different, try and contact him to find out whether this is his real name so that, you will not lose your assets. So guys, this is the quick thing that I went through today, and I just want to share with you so that in case you want to do your trades, you know exactly how to go about things. I believe this short video has helped you. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more finance videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video.